Our suggestion is a puppy with crippling depression. All right, so let me look up some a bit of music here. Okay. This is the story of Johnsy, the puppy. Johnsy was a corgi. He lived with his owner. Felder, if you have ideas of what you want as emotes, I'll draw them. Well, thank you. I'll let you know, but just give me a second. Johnsy lived with his owner, John. And he sat inside all day. He was a happy puppy. A nice little happy corgi puppy. He would run around the house and investigate things and sniff a flower and sneeze. And when his owner, John, got home, he would be so happy he'd wag his little tail, he'd scuttle up to the door with his little wobbly fucking waddling gait, and he'd go up there, and his owner would be like, "Oh, Johnsy, oh," and Johnsy was good, he was happy, he had a great life. He got to eat kibbles and bits, he got to drink the finest water, he got to eat all the meat that John would throw down on the floor when he's having his dinner of steak and eggs, which is not a dinner meal, but that's just how John rolled. And so Johnsy would, it was an average Friday, and John left to go to work, and Johnsy proceeded to explore the apartment once more, and he went up and perched, put his little legs up on the little window where he would look out the window and look at all the townspeople walking by, walking their dogs, and he'd bark at them, and they'd bark back, and he'd be like, well, maybe that's a friend that I would have if I could go outside. And he longed to go outside. John took him on walks, but it wasn't enough. He wanted to go out and explore and smell all the smells and eat a little taco off of a fucking taco truck. And so he fucking... And that's all he wanted in the world. To go outside and explore the great unknown. But he didn't want to leave his owner. He loved John. John was a good owner. He was kind. And so the day went on. Johnsy went and ate a little bit of his dry food that was left out, drank a little bit of water, and he slept for a few hours. He was having a good time. He woke up, rolled around, peed in the house. He was a little rapscallion. Sometimes he liked to pee in the house and then he'd roll in the pee because he liked the way he felt. He liked the way it smelled. That's just how Johnsy rolled. And he knew when John got home there'd be a big commotion. And that's what it excited him. Right? And so Johnsy waited for John to get home. And he waited. And he waited. It's interesting, the sun went down. It was dark. Well, John should be home any minute. And he looked at his little dog watch, which all dogs have, but we can't see them because they're invisible to humans. He looked at his watch, he was like, well, it's 6 p.m. Usually John gets home by now. Well, I'll just wait a little longer. Interesting, 6:30, not home yet. He's probably out with his friends. I'm back, I was puking a lot. Sorry, holy shit, Panic King. I hope you're alright. I hope you're feeling okay. Remember to drink water. We're telling a story about Johnsy, the corgi puppy. So he's waiting for his owner to get home. 6:45. He's not home yet. Hello? Interesting. 7 o'clock, not home yet. And then he heard a rustling at the door. It must be John! It's John! He runs up to the door, and who fucking walks into the door? Policeman.
We're doing it right
Holy
out of the
shit.
gate.
Policemen walk in. Their clumping boots clumped on the wooden floor. As they looked around, looked through John's things. Johnsy scrambled up to them. Ruff, ruff, ruff. He tried to ask, "Where's John? What's going on with John?" But the policeman just went down and pet him. And they went about their business. What happened to John? Where's John? Ruff, ruff, ruff! Ruff, ruff, ruff! And then one of the policemen kneeled down. Hey there, little boy. Hey, and he gave Johnsy a pat on the head. Hey. Your owner, he was hit by a truck. We're looking into it, but it looks like it was just an accident. I'm sorry, buddy. Johnsy's like, "Arr?" And he's like, why am I even talking to a dog? But hey, we'll make sure you find a good home, okay? Hey, Barry, can we get transport for this dog? We need to send him to the animal house, the pound. I hate calling it that. But hey, Johnsy, is it? I don't know why I'm talking to you like you're a person, but I'm sure you'll find another good owner. Johnsy's like, it's okay, bud, it's alright. It's okay. I don't know, it's crazy, but I feel like this dog understood me. And so they took Johnsy, and he went in a ride in a big truck. They put him into the pound with the other dogs. Grizzled dogs, old dogs, dogs with PTSD. And Johnsy was alone, afraid. He shivered in his cage. He remembered all the times that he ate steak with John. All the times when he got to eat his kibbles and bits and roll around in his pee. And then John would come home and be like, "Oh, you little rascal." And he'd chase him around the house and then he'd take a bath. All the dogs in the pound howling at the same time. He was alone. No John to take care of him. Alone. Then he hears a voice. "Hey, kid." And he turns. There's an old dog in the cage next to his. "Hey, kid, first time?" Johnsy scrambles up to him. "Yeah, it's my first time. My owner, he died. I don't know. What do I do? It's so scary here." Yeah, it's scary, all right. Listen, it's gonna get better." "Really?" Nah. This is just the beginning. Johnsy was like, "What do you mean? What do you mean?" "Listen, kid. I'm an old dog. I've seen a lot. But new dogs like you, precious, pretty little rascals like you, who used to being loved, fattened from their dinners of meat, they don't last in here. But I'm gonna give you one tip. Know your place. Stay away from the big dogs. And always keep on your toes. Some of these dogs got more bark than their bite. But some of them, they'll tear your fucking throat out just as soon as look at you. Is that phrase? I don't know. I'm just a dog. Johnsy's like, but you can be my friend, right?
Friend? I haven't heard that name in a long time. You see, that's my name. Friend. As in man's best. Well, I ain't nobody's friend anymore. And I sure as shit ain't your friend. Look, I said my piece. You're on your own now. If you want to survive, keep your head down.
And he goes back into the corner of his cage. Johnsy looks through the cage, through the window at the other side of the room, up at the moon shining brightly in the sky. And he falls asleep. The next day, he wakes up. Dogs all around him. In the cages, fucking shaking his cage. What's going on?
Hey, motherfucker! Hey, what's up, new kid? Hey, we got a new fish in here!
Wait! What's going on? Big dogs fucking barking at him, snarling through the cage.
Hey, fucking bitch! We're gonna fucking kill you!
Oh! Oh, please! Please, I'm just a little boy! I'm just a little kooky boy!
No, you're not, you fucking dead meat! I'm gonna tear out your fucking liver and eat it in front of you!
Yeah, that's right, you show him, Butch!
Yeah! Yeah, fucking get some!
Shaking the cage more.
Get some!
Please! Please, wait! Please. It's not, we don't have to be enemies.
Huh? What are you fucking talking about?
Yeah, what are you talking about, huh? Hey, Butch, what's he talking about? Play the birthday song. Okay. Hey, listen, we can be friends, right? We can be friends. Well, okay, hold on. Let me fucking finish the story, God damn it. This is a good one, all right? What do I want for this? Hey. We can be friends. We don't have to be enemies. Look, my name's Johnsy. What's your name?
My name's fucking Butch.
Yeah, my name's Max.
My name's Bertram.
There's an elegant Great Dane in the corner with the other dogs. Yeah, we could, just because you guys are all big dogs doesn't mean you have to kill me.
Yeah. Fucking... what is he saying?
I don't know, boss. I believe, says Bertram. My name's Rudy Giuliani. I believe that he is saying that we don't have to fight, and in fact can be his friends. Yeah, that's all I'm saying, please. I'm just a little doggy puppy boy. Also, what's up, Bovney? What up, Bovney? How's it going? Butch, this is an interesting proposition. Usually the other dogs try to kill us.
Yeah. What's up with you, little guy? What's your deal?
I don't know. My owner died. I was happy eating kibbles and bits and having steak.
Steak?
Oh, steak, eh?
Listen, kid. You're in the dog pound now. Ain't no fucking steak here. All there is what you can get. And I'm looking at you and I see a real fucking juicy meal, baby.
Yeah. What about he's fresh.
He's for eating. Looks like meat's back on the menu, boys.
They shake the cage more. Please, no, please. Suddenly,
hey!
the dogs fucking calm down. The old dog. Friend.
Hey. Don't fucking touch him. What do you want, old man?
I want you.
What? What do you fucking mean?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Yes, what is it? What are you talking about?
Listen. I told myself I wasn't gonna intervene, but I've seen too many fucking young dogs die in this place. You touch that kid, and you're gonna have to deal with me. What the fuck do I care about you, old man? You're on your last legs. You're lucky we haven't killed you, too.
Yeah, you're just a fucking old man.
Yes, you are quite elderly.
Listen. Just trust me. I'll chew you up and spit you out.
Friend, thank you.
Don't worry about it, kid.
And the other dogs kind of walk away.
We got our eye on you, old man.
Yeah, you're next.
Yes, you and the kid will both feel our teeth.
Shut up, Bertram.
No, you shut up. I'm a cool member of the gang as well. You always do this. Why do you always undermine me in front of our friends? In front of our enemies, even?
Because I'm the fucking alpha.
Yeah, he's the alpha.
I understand that. I'm just saying there's no need to disrespect me.
Look, I don't understand what you fucking, I'm the alpha, okay? So you listen to me.
I understand that. I understand you're the alpha. Oh, you're a big man. Ooh, big dog in the pound. Biggest dog in the pound. Well, oh, look at me. I'm Butch. I'm a fucking asshole.
What did you fucking say?
He called you an asshole.
Look, okay. You're over here being a fucking asshole, and you sound like the mouse from Cat Dog. That's what you sound like.
Hey, don't bring me into this. This is between you and Butch.
I'm bringing you into it.
Look, okay, can we all just agree to disagree? Can we fucking agree to disagree? We're gonna kill that kid and the old man?
Yes, fine.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, I'm sorry I disrespected you.
Thank you.
What about me?
Shut the fuck up.
Yes, shut up. Shut up. You're fucking, you suck. You're the nobody likes you. You just follow Butch around because he's the big dog.
Yeah.
What? Butch? I'm on your side.
Yeah, well, I gotta admit, man, you're pretty fucking annoying. You're a little rat. You're like a little chihuahua.
And what's wrong with being little?
Because I'm fucking, little fucking sniff ass. You a little fuck.
Yeah, wait, I was insulting myself.
Look at you. You're so tied up. You're sniffing you're so far up Butch's ass that when he insults you, you insult yourself as well.
I guess you're right.
Yeah, I'm just saying, man. Stand up for yourself. Maybe people would respect you more.
You're right.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna kill those two.
Right, yes.
Yeah.
And then they walk away.
Hey.
Johnsy goes up to friend.
Hey. Thanks for helping me.
Don't mention it, kid.
Listen, I just wanted to know, why are you helping me?
Listen, I don't know. Maybe it's that I've seen too many dogs come and go. Maybe you remind me of someone. A dog I once knew. Or maybe, just maybe, you remind me of myself. But regardless, I'll protect you. Just stick with me, kid. I'll probably get us both killed.
Friend, who's gonna protect you?
I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, but there's just something about you, kid. If anyone's gonna get out of here, it should be you.
Thanks.
Don't mention it. Listen, it's about to be playtime. They're gonna let us all out. And when they come for us, don't look back, just run.
What do you mean?
Just go, kid. There's a trap door that leads out to the parking lot. If you can get out of here, maybe you have a chance on the streets.
On the streets? Out in the world?
Yeah. Didn't you ever look out the window and wonder what was out there?
Yeah, I did. But isn't it dangerous?
No more dangerous than it is in here. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there. But if you're smart, you can make some friends and survive.
Friend, I don't know what to say.
Just say you'll do it. Say you'll make it out of here. Because I need to fucking... I need someone to live. I need someone to survive. This fucking hell. I need you. Look at me.
And he fucking sticks his paws through the fence, through the cage.
Let's look at me. Fucking... You gotta live.
Okay, I'll live.
Yeah, fucking live, okay?
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay. All right, here come the humans.
All right. Oh, and also there was a very muscular half-wolf breed dog, very big and muscular, wants to help the small dogs, and his name was Mercer. He sleeps in the corner, nobody messes with him. And he was there too. So anyway, it's playtime. The humans fucking switch, they flip the switches on all the cages, and the the dogs come out. And they go to their little playpen. And some of them are playing around with a little, they're playing tug of war, two of them. Mercer fucking plots out.
Hey, it's me. Hey, nobody better mess with me, because I'm a Mercer. Oh, fuck, here comes Mercer.
He comes up to Johnsy and Friend.
Hey, friend, who's this? You got a little fucking guy here, huh? It's me, Mercer.
What happened to his voice?
It's me. It is my voice. I'm Mercer, the big muscular dog.
He's a mafia dog? No, that was the other one.
Let me do my... What, you want me to tell the fucking story? Or do you want to tell the story?
Huh, Panic?
I'm the one who's telling this story. And so I will make his voice like this. He's a big muscular dog, and he's wearing a little beret. He comes up to Friend and Johnsy and says, "Hey, how's it going? I heard you two trying to get fucking..." He sounds like a mafia dog the way you say "I'm sorry." I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Don't worry about it, Mercer. This is Johnsy. Hey, Johnsy, what's up?
Hey, hi.
Listen, guys, I overheard you talking about an escape plan. What do you think? Want me to help out? I'm big and strong, and I can help you. Why are you doing that thing with your shoulders? What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Just fucking okay. You're in the group. Alright. Sounds fucking good.
And so they go into the yard. They see Butch and the other two on the other side watching. Friend says to... I was just thinking about the weird shoulder thing. Friend says to Johnsy, "Hey kid, look. They're watching us."
I see.
"Just follow my lead." And Friend walks up to the fucking weights. There's a big bench press thing that the big dog is on. And Friend's like, "Hey, can I get a turn?" "Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, whatever." And the other one leaves. Friend's like, "Hey, Johnsy, get on this thing." Johnsy's like,
I've never lifted weights. I'm a dog.
"Yeah, well, you gotta show him you're strong. You gotta show him you're strong."
All right.
And he gets under the weights. Friend's like, "Watch this." And he secretly puts his paw as Johnsy fucking lifts 100,000 pounds. Bench presses it clean because Friend helps him and Mercer helps him. Secretly. Across the room, all the dogs are like, Tim Allen's in there. "What the fuck, bruv? Oi, what the fuck, bruv?" Another dog comes up and "How fuck you benching 100,000 fucking pounds, bruv?" "Don't worry about it."
I don't know. I'm strong.
"Oi, you're just a little git. Who the fuck are you? Who are you to come in here fucking..." "Friend, Johnsy, you gotta punch him. Johnsy, you gotta bite him, Johnsy." "Yeah, Johnsy, fucking bite him." "Oi, you wanna fucking go? You wanna go? I'll fuck you up. Let's get stuck in there. Let's get stuck in, bruv. Come on then. What you want? What you fucking want?" Oh, the dog's around. It's a fucking yard fight. It's a yard fight. They start to circle each other. Johnsy's the smaller dog.
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I've never been in a fight before.
"Just follow your heart, Johnsy. You've got a big one. Heart, that is. Just go for the jugular. Fucking kill him, Johnsy." Yeah, fucking kill him."
I don't know. I'm just a little guy.
"Oi, you just a little fucking guy? You wanna fucking go? Let's go then!" And he lunges at Johnsy. Johnsy dodges. "Oi, you get back here!" Johnsy kicks him with his leg. "Oh, you fucking kick me, bruv! You kick me, bruv! You kick me! You fucking wanna go? You wanna go?" And the dog's like, "Rrr!" And he swipes at him. Johnsy gets cut across the eye. "Ah! Ah, my face! That's fucking right! I draw first blood! I draw first fucking blood! A man's not hot! Let's go! What do you want, eh? What are you trying to fucking get into, eh?" "Johnsy!" Johnsy looks at Friend. "Use your heart, Johnsy. You have something that none of the dogs here have. Empathy and love. You can do this." Johnsy's like,
Okay. I'll use the only tool I have. The only tool I have. I'll use it. Empathy and love. Hey.
What?
You want to meet my friend?
What? Oi. What the fuck are you on about, bro?
My name's Johnsy. I like to run around and eat food, and I sometimes pee on the floor and then I roll in it.
Oi, I like fucking doing that too.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, it's fucking grand. Oi, Johnsy, what else you like?
I like to lick my own dick and suck my own dick.
I love that too. I love sucking my own knob off.
Yeah, and I like barking at cats outside.
I fucking love doing that. I fucking hate cats.
Me too. I want to rip a cat's throat out.
Oi, Johnsy, you ain't so fucking bad, eh?
That's
that's right. I'm cool.
Yeah. Boy. Everybody listen up. This dog ain't so fucking bad. And if anyone wants to get to this motherfucker, he's gonna go through me.
All right.
Hey, Johnsy, what are you? And they walks away talking to him. Oh, what do you want? Good.
Well, I guess Johnsy does have a superpower after all.
Yeah, that's right. His superpower is making friends.
That's right.
Oi, me and Johnsy talked it over, and he mentioned you three are thinking of fucking escaping.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I was wondering if maybe I could get in on it. My name is Idris Elba.
Idris Elba, like the actor?
Yeah, I don't know. My fucking owner named me this. I don't look like him. I'm a dog.
Yeah, your accent's all over the place, too.
Well, I don't know. You're thinking.
And then suddenly,
Hey!
Butch stomps out from the corner.
You're gonna get it now!
yes, that's right. We're gonna fucking kill you.
Oi. Who the fuck are you? My name's Butch. You know me. I'm the one who eats other fucking dogs in here. I'm the one who eats dogs.
Oi! You fucking wanna go? You trying to get to my friend?
Yeah, I am.
And they start to circle each other.
Roof, roof.
Boy, fucking woof woof, bruv! Fucking woof woof, bruv! Come on then!
And he fucking lunges at Butch. Butch dodges. Just then rips out the British dog, Idris Elba's jugular. Fucking just rips his throat out. Blood everywhere. Dead. Dead.
Who else wants some?
All the dogs scatter.
Oh my god! He just killed our new friend! Yeah! You're gonna fucking get it now!
Yes, you are. Hello, Susan. How's it going?
Welcome to the bloodbath, motherfucker. Who's next? Is it you, old man?
And Butch points with his paw. He has a finger. And he points at friend. The British dog is dead now. Says, I need to drink water. The little dog, little bitch dog, starts eating Idris Elba's corpse.
Get behind me, Johnsy. Hey, friend! It's me, Butch. I'm here to fucking kill you.
Is that the Urukai? I already did that joke. But he says it again.
Looks like meat's back on the menu, boys.
And they start to chase Friend and Johnsy and Mercer. Mercer's like, go! I'll hold them off! And they're fighting him.
Come on, Johnsy, let's go.
And they run into the back. The humans come out, start breaking up the fight. I've got to go to bed. Well, you don't want to miss this. Wait for the end of the story. Johnsy and Friend run through a trapdoor in the back. Goodbye, Jasmine Dragon. Thank you for watching. They run through a fucking trapdoor as Mercer's getting torn apart. His fucking arm gets ripped off, but he's still fighting. He bats away the small chihuahua and bites Bertram hard. But Butch sinks his teeth into Mercer's neck. He's dead.
No! Mercer!
It's too late. Come on, Johnsy. We gotta get out of here.
You're right. Let's run. We have to go. Get outside.
Yeah, Follow me, kid.
And they run. They fucking jump up a fence. They're outside. They keep running. But the other dogs escape too. Out into the streets at night. Running. Street lights fucking glaring down on them as they hear the skittering of paws behind them. Gaining on them. Gaining.
I think they're right behind us.
Yeah. Listen, kid. We gotta split up. I'll lead them away. You run and hide.
No! Friend! They're gonna kill you! You saw what they did to Mercer! He was the biggest dog here!
Listen, kid.
And he grabs Friend.
You have to make it out of here. If you make it, then everything's fine.
No. Friend. No. I won't leave you.
It's too late for me. I've lived a long life. I mean, God, I'm 12 years old. I've seen it all, kid. But what I haven't seen is a dog like you.
Like me?
Yeah. You're the kindest soul I've ever met. The best dog. The cutest dog. And you have to make it out of here. And if I can help you by giving my life,
See you later, Jasmine Dragon.
then I'll do it.
And he runs off, leading Butch and the others away.
No, friend!
No. Friend.
Friend!
And he runs out into the night, alone once more. He wishes that John, his owner, was still alive. He wishes that his friends were still alive. He cries out to the night sky, to the moon. Is this all there is? Is pain and loss and suffering? Is that all there is? Is he alone? And he stops, hiding behind a dumpster. Friend! No! They must have gotten to him by now. Panicking, hold on. Let me fucking finish the story, alright? I got this. Okay? So Johnsy howls to the night sky, and then he hears it.
Hey, kid. Hey, kid.
He turns around. Butch and the others, scarred, bleeding, but very much alive. Butch has the ear of Friend in his mouth, and he drops it on the ground in front of Johnsy.
Looks like there's nowhere left to run.
No! No! Friend!
That's right. He's fucking dead.
Yeah! He's fucking dead!
Yes, we killed him, and now we're going to kill you.
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Yeah, wait! I don't know which one I'm on the side of now!
Just both of you shut up. We're finally gonna eat this little fucker. After so long, watching your juicy, fat little body. Now it's time, motherfucker.
It's time! Now you're gonna get it!
Yes, now you're going to be eaten by us, the three mean dogs.
Any last words, kid?
Yeah. I do have last words. I've got last words, alright? My name's Johnsy.
What?
And I like eating meat
Okay.
and I like when a car goes by and it's really fast and I bark at it.
Yeah?
Yeah, wait, I like that too.
I also enjoy that.
And, I like when, the TV is on all day when my owner leaves.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, I like that. I like that too. I'm British now for some reason.
Yes. Wait, I thought I was the British one.
I don't know, I'm getting confused by this kid.
Wait a second. What are you doing? What is this feeling I feel?
That's called friendship and love.
What are you fucking talking about? I hate you!
No, you don't. You just hate the idea of someone weaker than you.
What are you...
But there's no such thing as weakness. It's socially constructed. All there is people with different skills. And dogs with different skills.
Wait, what are you... I'm confused.
I'm starting to get it.
Yes, I understand what he's saying. There's no such thing as an alpha.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And you don't have to kill people or slash dogs just to feel good about yourself.
He's making a lot of sense to me.
Yeah, why do I follow you guys?
Because I'm the fucking alpha!
I don't know if that's necessarily true. Because if there's no such thing as an alpha...
Yeah, that's right. There's different alphas for different situations. Like, for example, you're a big and strong dog, but you might not be that smart.
Yeah, so... I'm big, I can rip your head off.
You could. Or we could play with this ball I found.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, that sounds pretty fun.
That does sound fun.
So, you guys want to play?
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Yeah, I want to play.
Yeah, I want to play too.
So they play with the ball. They're passing the ball back and forth.
I swear I died for this kid and it was worth it.
Passing the ball back and forth. Passing the ball, throwing the ball to each other with their mouths, having a grand old time.
And then... Butch reaches for the ball. And so does Bertram.
What are you doing?
I don't know, I just wanted the ball.
That's my ball.
Hey guys, wait. Let's just
Shut up, you fucking weakling! I've had it with this friendship bullshit. There's only one law in the universe. The strong step on the weak. And all that matters is that I'm the one doing the stepping.
Listen, we can all be friends. We can be friends. Yeah, wait, boss. We can be friends.
And then fucking Butch rips the head off of the little annoying chihuahua that I never named. What are you doing? You just killed our guy!
Shut up, you fucking British cunt!
Whoa, that's not... Don't say that! That's a bad word!
Shut up, you little bitch! I'm gonna fucking kill both of you. And then I'll be the best. I'll be the biggest dog there ever was. I'm gonna eat your fucking heart out. And then I'll gain your powers of friendship.
His name was Max.
What?
His name, Butch. His name was Max.
You think I fucking care? Huh? I used him because he followed me. Just like you. You're both idiots.
I'm not an idiot. And I'm not going to help you kill this child any longer.
So, at the end, you betrayed me too. Just like my owner who abandoned me. Just like everyone I've ever met. You both. You deserve what's coming to you.
And he starts salivating. the blood dripping out of his mouth, mixed with his saliva.
And now, I'm gonna kill you both!
No! Please!
Get behind me, Johnsy. I'll protect you.
No, Bertram! He'll kill you!
I will. I will. I'll get both of you. Because you're scum! That's all you are!
And he bares his teeth. Get behind me, Johnsy. And he lunges at Bertram. Bertram dodges, bites him. Ah! But he rips off Bertram's leg.
You're weak. I don't need no one but me.
Johnsy lunges forward, bites him. He fucking throws Johnsy with his strength.
Oh! Please! Please!
He sinks his teeth into Bertram's neck. Run, Johnsy! But there's nowhere to run. Butch corners him.
I've been chasing you for too long, kid. Now, I'll show you how the world really works. No one's coming to save you, little bitch.
Please! Please remember we're friends! We both like barking at cars!
Shut up! Friendship is nothing. Let me just catch my breath because I'm about to pass out from all this yelling. Now, kid, I'm gonna kill you too.
Please! Wait! Wait!
And he sinks his teeth into Johnsy's shoulder.
Ow!
He's bleeding all over the place.
Any last words, kid? Yeah, I got last words for you.
What? Behind them. On the ridge. Who's that? As the sun rises on the 5th day, the dawn of the 5th day, they look to the east.
Friend.
Haggard, limping, but still alive, missing an ear.
Hey, kid. I heard you needed some help. What the fuck are you doing here, old man? Don't you know? No one can stop me. I'm the biggest dog there is. And there's a dog-eat-dog world out here. No.
It's not dog-eat-dog.
Not if I can do anything about it.
And he jumps through the air, landing right on top of Butch, fucking knocking him over.
What the fuck?
Friends like Johnsy, together, we can take him. Friends like,
Okay!
and they circle around each other. Friend lunges.
Get off of me, you old man!
Johnsy grabs him on the arm. They're both biting and biting him.
Get off of me!
He bites Friend. Friend bites him in the neck. He bites him back in the neck. Friend goes down.
No, friend!
Then Johnsy bites him in the neck again. In the head. Bites him all over.
I'll get you!
No! You won't! Get away from my friend!
And it was done. Butch was done. Johnsy.
No. Friend. No. You're all I have. My owner's dead. Mercer's dead. All those K9 units never showed up. Idris Elba's dead.
I know, kid. I'd love to stay, but I can't. I've lost too much blood already.
No, we can help you. I can find someone to help you. Please don't leave me.
Listen, kid. I've never met a dog like you. You've got all you need to survive out here. Just remember, it's not a dog-eat-dog world. Your friendship and empathy and love can win.
No! Don't leave me!
I have to. It's my time. I'm dying. I'm dead. And he was gone. Once again, Johnsy was alone. The corpse of Butch lay by his side. And friend, his only true companion, lay dead as well. Gotta go to bed. Have a nice night. See you, Rhino. But as he stood there, wait, Rhino, wait for this last part. As he stood there, alone, Johnsy realized he wasn't alone. Not really. And he looked to the left, the entrance of the junkyard. Some police officers had come. They got K9 units with them. The K9 units, "Hey kid, are you okay?" And he recognizes the same police officer that came to his house when his owner died. The police officer reaches down and picks Johnsy up. "Hey, I know you."
Ruff, ruff.
Johnsy says, "Please."
I'm so alone.
"It's okay. You'll be my dog now. You'll be all right." And so, he took Johnsy home. So you see, nothing is ever truly over. Though you may lose friends, in time, you will gain others. And the ones we lose along the way teach us to be better people. It may be a dog-eat-dog world out there, but we don't have to eat each other. We can be friends. We can all be friends. Don't you see? Empathy, communication, and love. That is true strength. And Johnsy learned that. And that's the fucking story. Then they all got drunk. Johnsy had sex with a hot dog lady. he fucking busted inside. It was great. Fucking had a great ass time. It was fucking great. He got a new girlfriend that didn't betray him, and a new owner that was great and super nice, and everybody came and had fucking sex, and they all got drunk, and they all drank, and fucking had and everybody, and I'm losing my voice! And I'm actually losing my voice! I never lose my voice! And 9 K9 buddies were his new friends, and they would roam around the streets in big pimp hats and fucking point at people and be like, yo, what up? Jesus Christ. My voice is gone. And that's the story of Johnsy the little puppy. Good night, Rhino. Good night, everyone. That's gonna be me signing off.